Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best Fidelity crypto alternatives. So looking for a crypto platform outside of Fidelity Crypto, one excellent option is Coinbase. You'll get access to hundreds of digital assets, easy to use wallet integration, and strong security features. Another solid choice is Kraken, which often support over 500 cryptocurrency, allow transfer to external wallet, and also appeal to users who want more depth and control in their crypto investing. Which of these platforms offer broader coin selection and more advanced features compared to Fidelity Crypto? That said, if you prefer the simplicity and integrations of trading crypto alongside your traditional investment, Fidelity still holds unique appeal. So choose based on whether your priority is ease and trust. Fidelity or your choice. Fidelity, Kraken, and Coinbase also made the list. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit subscribe and let me know in the comment section what your alternative will be.